welcome back to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, my name is Gina, and today I will be unboxing some nail polish from Korea again. It's the Mithmillo Cake Series 2. It has 25 colors, and we are going to go through step by step the unboxing and showing you all the colors and the boxes it comes in. So Mithmillo is specializing in these cake gel nail polishes that comes in this case that's very beautiful, and it kind of looks like an eyeshadow. So let's get started. So yeah, you can get it from Instagram seller or from Zillabo, which is the local distributor here in Canada, and I believe in the US as well. It's very nicely packaged, kind of like looks very luxurious. The whole packaging is very Chanel kind of feel, right? It's very nicely packaged, and so this is made in Korea. So just taking a look at the packaging here, and now we will untie this. Let's take a look. Oh, look! So there's 25 colors in a set. So we'll lift this off. And here you see what I mean? It looks like eyeshadows. If somebody look at this, you probably don't think these are actual gel nail polishes. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the first color. That'll be easier like this. So here we have CA051. So each box is 2.8 grams. It's just like an eyeshadow box. This is kind of like a peachy, glittery color. Very nice. And I think, so how you use this is you dip the brush right into here and you apply it onto the nail. So look at one of these. Okay, closely. This one is a brownish glitter. Okay. So kind of like other gel polishes, you have to apply 2 layers, and we'll be doing some swatches later. You see this is like a really thick gel, and you know it doesn't spill or anything. So this is a darker brown glitter. Okay. So this is more, I think it has more of a pink tone, pink gold glitter. Now this is kind of like a black rainbow glitter. So I think these colors have more intense glitter, while these are more subtle. So this is green, but the glitter in here is very tiny. And this is a light gray with kind of like a aurora glitter. A darker gray with gold glitter. Kind of rose color with gold glitter. This is a more solid, I would say a darker pink with gold and little bit of blue speckles. Now these 3 rows are solids, no glitter. So this looks like a off-white. It's not completely white, as you can tell. Like this part is completely white, but the gel actually is not. This is more of a neutral beige color. This is a light green, it's more pastel. This is a pastel purple color. At first I thought this was pink, but it does look more purple to me once it's opened. Again, another purple. This is a very light pink. Very, very light pink. This is another shade of pink. There's a variety of pinks in this collection. This one is more purple. I would say this got a purple tone to it. This is slightly darker pink. Another pink shade. I would say this is still pink, but has more of a gray mixed into it. This too is purple, but kind of with a gray mixed into it. This is a peachy, dark peach color, I would say. And this is a red. Very solid red color. But it's not like a very bright red. And we have brown. This is like a chocolate brown. This totally looks like chocolate to me. So here are all the 25 colors. Once you finish using one of them, you can just buy the refills, which are about $16 each. for the refill, so you don't need to buy the case again. But the 25 color set, the Cake Series 2, is about $790 on Zillow, but they have a promo right now for 20% off. I did purchase this directly from Korea. So let's get down to doing some swatches. So let's get down to swatching some colors. This is a new swatch palette I got. It's very like water droppy feeling. So I think one good thing about this style of gel is you can carry it anywhere you want, and it's not, you don't have to worry about it spilling or your bottles cracking or drying up, really. And it doesn't have a strong smell like some of the polished bottles has. And another good thing about this, this brand is vegan. So we'll be swatching one color from each row. So let's start with this. So this one, again, it's pink with sparkles, got some gold and green glitter, CA051. Kind of dig out some of the gel. We're gonna apply it to the bottom. Maybe another layer.啊，咁少好似用咗好多落去呢度。Okay. So right now this is the first layer. Okay. The consistency of this gel is quite thick. So now we're gonna go on to the green color, the green with a small sparkles. What the green color is still a thick consistency, but it feels easier to apply than that color. There's one layer. I quite like this green color. This green color is nice. Now we are on this off-white color. This feels very creamy, kind of like edible, feels like. Now we have done 3 colors. Now let's go to this pinkish purple. I do feel like these more solid colors are easier to apply. So these more solid colors, and then to the glittery colors. Now let's try a really, I guess, the darkest color of this palette, the dark brown. Probably don't need to use that much because it's such a dark color. We'll see. It is a very chocolatey color. Yep. So now we have swatched 5 colors, 1 from each row. And this, what's good about this display chart is that it gives you a look of, you know, a top coat has been applied already. So let me know below what you think of these colors. Okay, that's it for now, and I'll see you next time.